Yo, what's up guys? I got a surprise this week. Boom. Heavy Duty, the brand new all-purpose cleaner and degreaser and truck wash that we've been working on for quite some time behind the scenes now actually. So the purpose of this is to replace both Redline and 86 It. This works better as a vehicle wash than Redline did, and it works better as a degreaser than 86 It did, all in one product based on how far you cut it down. So this is a huge improvement and something that I think would be a really helpful thing to you guys. So I have some cool footage of what you can expect this stuff to do that was sent in by Big Pete a little while back. He did a little review of this on his own page. I used him as sort of a guinea pig to try and figure out like what we could do with the stuff, how it works, see if it was any good at all. And he had nothing but good things to say about it, so I figured maybe we can check this out. What's cool about this stuff is that at 100 to 1 with water, it's used as a truck wash or vehicle wash. When you get into the 40 to 1 to 60 to 1 range, it starts to be an all-purpose cleaner for like floor mats and things like if you have like a cleaner like a Bissell kind of cleaner, you can like use it in carpets and things like that. If you use it in the 10 to 1 to 20 to 1 range, you'll see what that looks like with Big Pete here, where he's putting it on the rubber on a tire. And then undiluted to 10 to 1 is the range where you get your heavy degreasing done. And what I like about this is I have not seen any adverse effects on paint or on mirror polished aluminum. Even on mirror polished aluminum that it's dried on, I can still wet it down and get it all off of there without any hazing that's noticeable, at least to me. So I think that this will be a hugely beneficial thing for you guys. But let's check out what Big Pete got here for his experience with it. I just sent him down some to see what he would think, and this is what he sent back in. So check this out. Here we go right here.
Alright, so this is the Chem-X degreaser. I bought some stuff and I'm trying out a new degreaser from Bob. So this, I did basically a 50-50 dilution. I 50% concentrate, the rest water. I already did the other tires, but I'm gonna make this video the tire and the wheel well and the rim. And the stuff works really good, you can see.
So here we go.
You can automatically see the brown. Can you see how good?
Yeah.
Put a little on the rims.
So you'll see this turns the rubber, like the foam gets really brown when it's being used. It's just pulling all the junk out of the tire and getting it kind of reset. That'd be kind of helpful if you were going to put on some tire dressing, let's say, and you wanted to make sure the rubber was prepped properly ahead of time. Great way to clean out tires.
Look at the change in the tire color.
Yeah, for real.
Oh my god. How's that look?
Brown. Big Bob.
Yeah.
Look at that, huh? Crazy. That's something similar when you put it on through a foam cannon too, where you can really see it cleaning out the rubber. I think it'd be very helpful
I'll say this again,
on
this is not the way you
mud
should really
flaps
do
and
this.
things like that.
Testing this stuff.
That's funny. He's like, "Oh, this is not the way to do it," and people still giving him crap. This video got almost 500,000 views on his page. It's crazy.
Turn shit off and now put it in.
People are like, "Oh, you don't know how to detail." Like, whatever. Just use it. Use the stuff. Clean up something.
This is a really good degreaser.
No shortage of judgment out there. But I think Big Pete's doing a good job here. You know, put it on there, get the grime off, rinse it
Look at
off.
how black.
Be done with it. Yeah, getting in the wheel wells. So this stuff has been very helpful on heavy equipment too. Using it anywhere from like 10 to 1 to undiluted, right around there. Very, very useful stuff for that. Just gets a ton of grease off without really even needing to agitate it necessarily. And all of my tests that I've done were with cold water only. I actually have a video of that. I'll include that here too. But all of my tests have shown like great amounts of degreasing ability with cold water. And if you have heat, then you're even better off, you know. So I mean, that's. But the main thing is, I wanted it to be something that could help everybody, even if they didn't have hot water.
That's good for that. All right, so this is the Chem-X degreaser. I bought some stuff and I'm trying out a new degreaser from
Anyway, that
Bob.
looked like it came out pretty good.
So this, I did it.
So that's what you can do on a tire and rim situation there. So here's another video. This is a test I did probably a little while back. This was early on. And I wish I could get more shots right now, but I'm going to have to, there's too much going on out there right now. So there we go. Let me turn this down. It's annoying sounding. Yeah, so you can see here I was spraying it on. That was undiluted, if I recall correctly. So that was going on pretty much full strength. But I wanted to see what we could do with just cold water, because that's what I had in this situation. This customer has a hot water burner now, but it wasn't hooked up yet at this point. So I just wanted to see what we could do. But you can see there, we're able to get a lot of work done even with, without any heat. If you have heat in the mix, then you would get that like done quicker with less material. Maybe you could cut it with more water. But I thought this was pretty cool to be able to go from this here to that in the first pass, and then just another quick soak and let it sit for a minute, and then I was able to get it pretty much all the way clean. So that was handy, and it's something that a lot of heavy equipment places have been finding useful. So anyways, there's that, and I think that this should be something that will really be a good tool for a lot of you guys. It's going to streamline our line a little bit, combine a couple of products down into one, and have also a little bit more of an easier user experience for people. And heck, the label looks amazing, man. I'm very happy about this stuff. So this is available now. Check it out, Chem-X.com. Heavy duty, all-purpose cleaner, degreaser, and truck wash. Give it a shot. It's not touchless. I wouldn't call it touchless, but if that depends on how picky you are. I mean, there's a lot of people who will be able to use this without a brush and still get the results that get them by. You know what I mean? But I still think Stars and Stripes is going to be the best bet if you want a fully touchless wash that gets everything kind of 100%. This is more of a good solution for people who just want to use a soap, not have to think about 2 steps or any training or anything like that. Just spray it on there and go. But use it at whatever strength you need. It'll be a useful tool. So check it out.